Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spirit Lightbody, man. Hey, I wanted to tell y'all, man, go check out H.O.T.C Universal. That's a channel, that House of True Consciousness. In case you didn't know, it's me, Misael, Only the Wise, Mind's Eye, Mike Corleone, Lindsay, aka Knowledge Uprising. Knowledge Uprising TV. It's kind of like a compilation channel of all of us put together, man. And we all HOTC, just House of True Consciousness, man. These brothers is truly conscious, man. You just, go check them out, man. I think it'll do you some good. It's some mind opening and, eye-opening stuff, man. Good content, man. Good open-minded stuff. Man, just try not to be biased. Just keep an open mind and an open heart. You know what I'm saying? And learn to be a good listener, man. Like I said in the other video, man, it helps and it'll take you a long way, man. But shout out HOTC, man. Peace and love to all y'all brothers, and so it is, man. One.